Hello, class. My name is Loise Jean-Claude, a student at the University of Rwanda College of Education, STL-LS. This lecture has information. I developed a lesson using a learning management system, which is Canvas. Now, this has many parts. My lesson here is entitled the Interdependence Among Organisms. As you see, this is my lesson I developed. During the development of this lesson, I just inserted different modules. Those modules, as you see, uh, module number one is interdependence among organisms. Module two, it is intraspecific and mutualism, grazing, competition. The last one is interdependence among organisms in ecosystem. During the development of this lesson, there are many pages as you see. Interdependence, it has many contents as well as the following modules. For instance, within the first one, which is interdependence in ecosystem, has a food chain and learning objective of this. As learner has been taught this lesson, you can define ecosystem habitat and mutualism, differentiate between niche and habitat, as well as constructing food web in his or her habitat. Also, within this module, I have uh, a guide which can help learners during their learning, like a food chain. There are different content I just developed for guiding learners during their learning. Those ones include the key definition of key terms, as well as the construction of food web and food chain. Also, there is overview how the food chain may look like when they are building their way of living. Not only this, after developing this, I had my learning outcome, and which the learners are exposed to have. As you are seeing this one, the following one I have learning outcome. The following are learning outcomes I just had when I developed my course. Again, I have just prepared an assignment that will be used to evaluate whether learning have been took place, which is a biology quiz as a by term. This is the quiz I just developed. Okay. Every learner in this group should participate in this activity, as well as also I have just give the rubric that will be used during marking. This rubric indicates at which extent should be considered and how much should be given. As you see, this will be done in 45 minutes and will be awarded out of against certain marks. And I have just produced an announcement that reminds each and every learner to participate. This is an announcement I just have to remind each and everybody in this group. Okay, I just even provided different files that learner may use. These are different information. I just use ecological terms. Okay, during learning and teaching periods. Both of teacher and learners may use different AI-based tools to enhance learning. Mine is today is just liner.com. This is an AI-based tool that enhance uh, assistant to help with summarize articles and generate insight to understand the complex content. The main emphasis of this AI-based tool is just to help answer in an easy way, encourage surface learning guided properly, research-based enhancement that encourages and facilitates the learning. Also, there is the challenges regarding to this AI-based assessment. This is a validity learners may rarely just rely on AI-based content rather than individual participation in terms of contextual enhancement, reliability challenges. Liner just across students, validity and students as well as equity use like limited materials. How do we announce, assess, and enhance this usage of this learner assistant tool? Mainly just to train both of teachers and learners how this to be used. Provide an access to tool like internet provision material to be used and transparent in the policies such as guidelines of use AI tools. Thank you for your participation. See you next.